Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix forgot screen time passcode for iPhone, how to recover or remove it. In the past, if you forgot your screen time passcode, the only way to get rid of it was to swipe your iPhone or iPad, which would delete your data and settings including the password. Thankfully, Apple has optimized it. Now you can easily recover or remove the forgotten screen time passcode without losing any data. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. To recover the forgotten screen time passcode, your iPhone or iPad must be running at least iOS 14 or iPadOS 14 respectively. You can check the current iOS and iPadOS version by going to settings. Next, go to general option, then choose software update, wait until the page is loading and then apply all pending updates and you are done. The actual process of recovering the screen time passcode becomes very simple. You can use the Apple ID and password instead of original screen time passcode to change and recover it. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone and iPad. Next, scroll down and go to screen time, tap on it. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of change screen time passcode. Tap on it and then choose screen time passcode. Next, tap on forgot passcode. It will ask you to enter your Apple account or phone number, so enter your email and then tap on continue. Next, enter your password and tap done. Once Apple confirms your Apple ID credentials, enter a new screen time passcode and then verify new screen time passcode and you are done. If screen time passcode recovery didn't work for the older iOS 13 and iPadOS 13 versions, you can sign out of the Apple ID. Screen time will automatically disable the passcode and allow them to reset it after logging back into the Apple ID and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix forgot screen time passcode for iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.